Okay guys, this is the example I'm going to help you with. Okay, so on the coaching matrix, it's the pupil's name, it's Cosmos Kumalo. View the coach, today's date. Notes on the pupil's history. He's a beginner, he's had no coaching, and no physical injuries. However, his left leg is shorter than his right leg. So that's all added up there. Alright, his ball flight. Because he's a beginner, you can put inconsistent there if you like. Although I think if you look at the setup, you can already see there's a slice happening. You can see he's got a weak grip, and you can see his shoulders are pointing way left of target. So that should cause the path to be out to in. And you can see that club face is scary open, isn't it? Okay, so on the matrix, what you're going to do is you're going to, if this is a slice happening, which it definitely is, maybe even a push slice because that club face is so open, then we're going to work on two things. We're definitely going to work on club face, okay, because the face is so open here, okay, and that could be the only thing we're working on because that club face is so scary open. However, if you want to go a step further, you can also tick path, because the slice is being caused by the path as well, and the path is being caused out to in a lot by the shoulders. The spine's leaning too far to the left. You can see in his setup that he's not lined up correctly, his spine's not lined up correctly, so at address his shoulders are pointing left. Okay, so we're going to tick face, definitely, and path if you like. Alright, then the relevant principles, and it's just a tick, all you have to do is a tick. Okay, we're going to look at the grip, definitely, the grip is weak. You can see, you can maybe only see one knuckle on his left hand there. Again, if that's all you want to do, and when you do your coaching test at the end of this term, simpler is better, I promise. So always keep it as simple as you can. Alright, so if we tick just grip, okay, then that will be fine for the principle. Then the diagnosis there would be, I would write there would be weak grip causing open club face, causing slice or push slice. My action is going to be to strengthen the grip, and the result is hopefully going to be a straighter ball flight. Remember, you don't always get it right in a lesson, so even if in your lesson when you eventually we get back on the course and you do give some lessons yourself, if the result is no apparent result at that moment and it needs more work, then that's fine. You can also write that down. Okay, then homework is going to be whatever practice drill you're going to give him. Okay, so to recap again, we're going to tick club face and path if you like for the law. Then we're going to tick grip and set up for the principle. And then we're going to diagnose a push or a push slice because of the weak grip and the path. Then we're going to strengthen the grip, and then we're going to hopefully see a result and give a drill for homework. The other thing you could also mention in your or also tick is alignment. You can see because the shoulders are closed, the club face is left. So remember, we're not all going to have the same assessment or the same diagnosis or the same way of thinking about it, but basically what needs to happen is you need to make sure that your diagnosis includes path and grip in this case. Okay, I hope you understand. I think it makes sense. Let me know if you don't.